Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to create a fan club on Poppo Life. Alright, so let's get started. Right, so first of all, you have to open your Poppo Life app and log into your account. Next step you have to take is to, of course, click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Alright, so once you get right here, next thing you have to do is, of course, click on your profile or account name at the top area of your screen. But before you do that, I would like to let you know that you don't really need to do anything before you can create a fan club on Poppo Life. Right, so by default a fan club is created for you, and if you want to see that, all you have to do is to click on your account name at the top area, scroll down a little bit, and you see this fans club right here on your profile. Right, so it's right here, so you don't really need to do anything to create a fans club. It's created for you by default. All right, so you can encourage people to join your fans club, and once they do that, you'll be able to see the number of member you have in your fans club. So that's it guys on how to create a fans club on Poppo Life. Hope this video was helpful and you now know how to do that. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.